Let's talk about the probability of complementary events. So the complement of an event is everything except for that. So here we have an example. If you pull a random card from a deck, this would be a standard 52 card deck. What is the probability it is not a heart? So you will see the probability not, like the problem on the right, not a 5. Now, there is a simple formula for it, and you can also work it out directly. Now, what would be useful for us is if we could, see the sample space, and I happen to have the sample space. All right, so here is the sample space for a 52 card deck. Now we want the probability that it is not a heart. So we can go directly into this and recognize that there are a bunch of cards that are not hearts. And we can add those up. And that takes a little bit of time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. There's 13 times 3, 39. So we can directly add up all of the cards that are not hearts and get the probability of not hearts as 39 out of the 52. This reduces to 3/4. But there's also the complement rule. And now it is written, you'd heart the complement of it is a horizontal line over. So this is the probability of not a heart. And it's equal to 1 minus the probability of getting a heart. So this would be 1 minus. Now if we're looking for the probability of getting a heart, we only have to count those. It's a smaller amount to count. There are 13 of them. We can reduce the 13 out of 52 into 1/4. And 1 minus 1/4 is 3/4. So directly, or with our 1 minus complement rule, we can find the probability of not getting a heart. So really, when you have the probability of not something, your choices, do you want to add up all the ones that are not that? Or would you rather add up the ones that are that and subtract the answer from 1? Depending on the problem, one way is easier than the other. Okay, go ahead and pause the video and work out the right side in both methods and see which one you prefer. So with a 6-sided die, the sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the probability of not 5 is 5 out of 6. And it's also 1 minus the probability of 5, which is 1 minus 1/6, which is 5/6. Again, your choice. Do you want to count up all the ones that are not? Or would you rather count up the one that is and subtract from 1? All right, I hope this helps.